Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel and our daughter Trimel, and today we are heading to see Mass Nevi. Alright, so please remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so we are going to Mass Nevi today and we have two donors to thank. One would have sent a barrel and would have asked us to give Mass Nevi some grocery items, so we are bringing those things, and then the other donor would have sent some funds to purchase linoleum to put on this floor and also a carpet, so we're bringing those today. And we have to use the opportunity to say thanks to our donors. Thank you, donors. Without you none of this would have been possible, like I always say, and we thank you for your continued support of the work that we are doing. All right, so journey with us.
I thought they want a donkey. They the ride go up the idea.
Not true. Alright guys, so oh wow. Alright guys, so we're heading up by Mass Nevi now, and of course we have to foot the journey because the road is very bad. So Marcel have a lot of things today. Trimel too. And myself here. I have a little bag as well. Alright, so just gonna head up. Oh, I forgot to open the umbrella, Trimel. The umbrella.
What are you?
I don't open it.
You need it?
No must. The sun hot, man. You carry that one there? Wow. I think we're all set now. Alright guys, so here goes.
You don't know what happened here now. You have to take off your hat.
It's hot.
I think I'm going to squeeze my head. I have enough shade, you know?
Yeah.
A big black bag here.
Man. Guys, the temperatures are up today. Time is really, really hot.
That's style, yeah.
Yeah, man. Your skill, huh?
Yeah. I have to walk like a robot though.
Oh no, we've been trying to come to Mass Nevi for a few days now and have to be putting it off each time, mostly because it starts to rain pretty early these days. So at least we get to come today. And the time is hot though. We complain about the heat, but when it rains you can't come, so we'll have to do it now. Oh wow. Marcel, how long you going to do that for?
You talk too quick. Jamel.
So one shade here, you know. Good, and it feels so good too.
You're not even start work yet, yeah.
But you have to make use of the opportunity when you get it, right? Jamel, that.
Jamel, scratch your son. You know, I close your drawer, scratch your scratch.
See ya. Okay.
Up more. Alright. Alright, thanks. I still not feel nothing, but it's alright.
Scratching gone, the itch gone.
I close, share scratch. Alright.
Wow.
And I go march with you this morning, you know?
You hear like what, Tremel?
I hear like what people come.
Somebody running a chainsaw or something.
You hear, miss?
Yes, sir.
Me now march with you this morning, me I run.
Okay. We'll follow. Wow.
You would get if you come to down there, sir. Where are you dealing?
Hi.
Where are you dealing?
I'm going to go look for the small one and heading out.
Where small one there?
Up on my mother.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Up on my grandmother.
Yes, sir.
How that work?
Yeah,
Anything
man.
you want to go plan? Me tell her say should I come meet we? Yeah, man, you're working class.
You know, reach home yet.
We are going up in our heights.
Alright, sir.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, you literally run like full through.
I mean, I move fast.
So how Tremel reach out there, so.
Still I wait for you now.
Oh, wow, wow, wow. This is what I call workout in the middle of the day.
Yes. We do it tomorrow again.
No, thank you.
That's a short time, you know, but the road bad.
Yeah.
So rich man. Next 10 minutes.
That's so rich.
I saw.
Let have some steam.
I take a break now.
I don't know, I'm tired, you know. Because I have to wait for you.
You have to wait for we?
Yeah. Me that run, me not reach long time. Walk and stop, walk and stop.
So Marcel, run one now? Run one.
Me can't run again because it make me tired. I work with this on my head now. Anytime I'm not done this, I bump and I have to stop again.
Yeah, Marcel, you want me carry the linoleum?
Huh?
You want me bring the linoleum?
Me good man. Whatever, you hear me complain?
No.
You don't feel like you do nothing?
No.
Just walk. That's something you have to walk. Walk like fire, Jimmy.
Terrell,
Ready now?
ready to do what? Run?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Come on, man, I'll lift you.
You all right, Terrell?
We never get no rain yesterday.
No. So the water you see is probably from the day before. Whoa.
Get a praise for Mass Nevi over there.
He has to be. He has to be there.
Man, I want to see where kick off the door going there this morning. Come with that back there.
That's true. A real thing. Everyone, we're almost there. Almost.
Better call him for answer. See if he did it. Yes, Mass Nevi buy dog. Hey, dog a back. Go home. You see it on a few yard. In door open. Where are the deal with? Good morning. Yeah? So you want to go sleep? Yeah. Let me see, look like you're crawling on your bed.
Yes, I wonder if I see a tall, I'm not sure God will provide doing.
So you say you not see?
See a tall.
You not see me?
I say God, remember, you can say me.
You not forget your man.
Oh, me know. You not forget me, man. Me know that, man.
Mass Nevi.
Good morning, miss.
Morning, how you do?
Not too bad, man. I'm glad to hear your voice and see you tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Come to mash up your house.
Yes, man. I'm here to tell you, say me ready the top player.
Don't make it stop you now.
I don't know whether. You can't fix it, sir?
If you can't go a technician.
Yeah.
Yeah, but look on it still, I don't know how to do it.
I don't know. I mean, if I
The antenna?
yes, I mean, if I lick.
Oh.
I don't know what happened, pregnant. I mean, say, I'm a company, you know, so when you say, oh, I mean, say before that, I'm going to run it with battery, you know.
Do what?
Running up with battery.
The battery, the battery.
Part, yeah, I'm going to buy a battery for it.
So how things been going?
Well, yeah, God say you have to give thanks for the good time and giving thanks for the rough and the bad time. You have to give thanks for everything in life. Yes, give thanks for the good and give him for the bad. You know.
Yes,
No,
yes.
not to fret me, you know, for.
That's true.
Yes, man. Yeah.
Oh,
Glad
wow.
to see you, man.
Yeah.
Glad, man.
Where try come from when Mass
But
Nevi?
you know, say rain.
The
And
rain.
you know, I had me a pet pan, you know, say them, you know, how, boy, I tell you, man, the road.
Yeah, man, because see, I walk, we walk up.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
You know, say last night, man, I tell you, say, I run out, that's.
You run out, go. You catch you afraid?
No, sir. Everything. Oh, it's out. Thank God to see you.
Oh, Lord. So, what you say now, Mass Nevi?
Yeah. Yeah, that's it, man. Everything did gone bad with me, you know?
Everything gone bad with you? You run out of stuff, you mean?
Yes, man.
Oh, Lord.
I yesterday, I have to run to somebody, huh?
Oh, somebody help you out yesterday?
Yes, ma'am. I say, this week I don't know how I'm going to
You don't know how you're going to manage. And because you don't have no phone either.
Yes.
Because you could have called us.
I tell you, say, man, about God, me trust God, you know?
Yes, yes.
I said, this week, I remember in this time, I was a brother, I look like some go around to one of my church brother and borrow. I'm money from him, say.
Oh, okay. Because it has been a little while since we come up here,
Yes,
so we
ma'am.
we were also worried that maybe, you know, you run out of stuff.
Yes, man, run out. I'm telling you. And last week, Sunday now, we go to a funeral up in Manchester, up Shudley. One pastor used to come to our church today.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
And me go there. So, give God thanks still, you know. Yes, man, God sending you today, man. Sending you the right time.
Yeah, always on time.
Yes, man.
Yeah.
God promise.
So which funeral you say you go?
One of the pastor.
Oh.
Pastor Adams.
Okay.
Papa Manchester.
Oh, they had a trip to the funeral?
Yes, man. I just about honest for, you know.
Oh, okay.
With the around we take a bus and go up there. Adams, one man, Pastor Adams.
Oh,
I
okay.
used to come to church. I have a son we have a soldier too.
Okay, yeah.
So when you used to come to free church and come preach and in there, you catch it and go up there.
Okay, okay. So you went to church on Saturday?
Yes, me now make church pass me this day.
Okay. Yeah, man. All right, so Mass Nevi,
Yes, ma'am.
we have 2 donors.
Yes, ma'am.
And as such, this morning we bring groceries. So the groceries we bring this morning is from one of our donors.
Yes, ma'am.
Right, and she wanted. So there are some boosts in there too. I don't know if you know what that is. You know, like Ensure.
Yes, ma'am.
It's something like that. It's just a different name. Yes, to drink.
Yes,
right.
ma'am. God bless you.
Right. So she would have sent a barrel and she asked us to give you some grocery items and also some clothing.
Oh God, me know clothes.
Yes. So.
Whole pack clothes.
So she sent about a couple suit of clothes. Well, all right.
So when me have to do, you know, if it's too much, me can't give me friend them.
If then too much, not true.
I said it can't
Yes,
too much. Give me
right.
friend them and give church people too.
Yes.
Yes, man. More you give them, more you get, you know.
Absolutely.
And I just see all them people they give a blessing them, you know, man.
Yes, man.
Blessing them talk about
Indeed.
it. In that church up to Saturday, you know. No matter about the setting in that church, they tell you to ask the church sister them say, when they have some people And every month, some poor people, every month they have to give them something. At the church, but every month the pastor talk and I say, and every people them remember me.
Yeah. Oh, so if them remember you.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Okay. All right. So, and we have another donor, because I know you love this carpet with it on your floor. Because every time we want that shit where you're like, no, don't throw it away.
You can't dash, you know.
You can't dash away.
If my child now come up and I say, boy, she did have it,
Should I get you one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have another donor now who sent some money for us to buy a piece of linoleum for you,
yes,
which we did.
Yes,
and in addition to that, she asked us to buy a carpet as well. So we brought those. So we are going to just throw out this old carpet.
Yes,
it's funny how we did want to throw it a long time, and even before you know that we carry one, you agree, you know.
I know that, but actually
the concrete cool.
Yes, concrete cool.
Yes.
Actually concrete cool, but if me see, might be no, we could have see it, my child would fix it for me.
What? No, man, we're going to do it.
Oh.
We're going to put stand fire before we leave.
But it's not hard for you. It's bed shift and all that.
No worry about that. We'll get it done.
God, boy, I don't know, man. I don't know, boy, how God sent us so, boy. I don't know.
Yes.
God, man.
Yes.
God said, well, I really want to help you, man. Really want to help, man.
Indeed.
Really, God love me, man.
Oh, man.
Yes.
Yeah.
Provide for me all the while.
He does.
Yes, man.
All right, so we have our two donors. I told you, one with grocery and clothing and the other with the linoleum and the carpet. So we'll just want to use the opportunity to say thank you.
God
Big
bless
up our
them.
donors.
God bless them. God bless them, man.
Yes,
They
man,
remember
indeed.
me, man. They never, boy, if them bless them, I go good. God, I go help them, man. I provide more and more and give them strength, man.
Yes.
God must help the people, man. God.
Absolutely.
And God says, I want the help.
Yes.
But I can't go as me like. If you're part down, I can't go part down.
Yeah.
We just the one place, and Jamie afraid say. But me I say, me want to go in January, so you see they get some. Yes, no, so me I wait till January, no.
So when you go January, that's when you're gonna find out the cost.
Yes, man. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
That beat me, man.
Yeah.
That beat me. God bless me.
Yes.
God bless me.
And there's a lady also who would have donated another $2,000, and we put that towards it as well.
Yes, ma'am.
So you should have a little more there.
Yes,
so by the time you go January and find out how much it costs, then you can let us know.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Right.
Yeah. Yes, ma'am. God.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, Mass Nevi. So tell us where you want your groceries to go.
Yeah, put them in a dish.
Oh, you put them in your bucket.
Yes, my pa.
Oh,
Yeah,
are you
right.
sit down?
Yes, ma'am.
And then now we're going to take out this.
Yeah.
And then where the broom, they ain't broke the other broom now.
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So we are planning for you now. We are come and say, I hope Mass Nevi no broke a second broom then.
You mad, man? Could never do it, man. God,
Okay.
God could have sent him a nice dog to me. So, boy, I no believe so, boy, I mean, people, them nice.
Yeah.
Like, no better, most of me people, them, Mrs. God, no.
All right. So, I don't know where we start. Where we start, Marcel?
Say, I go put over the room over there, too?
No, we have enough for this front room.
Yes, man. So, you'll have to start from here, so then.
Yeah, man. Must maybe a drinking boost. You like it?
Nice, man. Yeah, man, nice.
Yeah.
That nice.
You're drunk, you know.
That nice people, them, this kind of drunk, you know.
I say, so much alcohol you have to drink to drunk.
Yeah, man. When tell me did young, you know. Me did young and I go out, you know, me and one brother, you know.
Yeah.
Let's go out and we are saying who can't drink enough. Enough liquor. And he drink 1 dozen 4 pint Jagan.
And you just dash a few of them as everything.
I must 10 me drink. I must say a junk, me go and the belly has spin like that's what you spin.
Ah, Jesus.
That's why I tell me the young. You're young, you know, man. You do so same thing.
All right. time for Mass Nevi, I beg you to get up a little bit.
God bless you, no brother, Lord.
God bless you too, that's right.
God must provide one.
Alright, you ready, Marcel?
Yeah.
Mass Nevi, where broom there?
Sit here.
Watch it, Trimel, back up from the dust. Yay, yay, yay. Woo. Man.
Sit here.
It's a whole heap of dust, you know.
So walk up, Mom? And carry this,
Yeah, we have to walk because the road is so bad.
Lord gosh, man.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Trimel, watch this dust there.
Tell you.
Mass Nevi is a whole heap of dust in here.
Yes, man.
That's the movie set in.
Yeah, we're gonna move it, but we can get rid of this excess dust right here, so.
No, man, I said movie set in to sweep under there.
Yeah, I know.
I rug, you know. But one whole heap of dust. Take up one shirt.
Mass Nevi have one shirt behind this, so.
Yeah, I know. Yes, sir.
Mass Nevi, move them something. Move some pants or something.
Yeah, man.
They take down them clothes. One shirt they want this.
And this one.
No, man, that one. So one else, one else, see this one. On the back. Hold on, see.
Dusty.
Drop it, drop off. Hold on.
Maybe we should dump it.
No, you want to wait till you have to put this stuff on it.
Mass Nevi, you take the sheet off of the settee.
Yes, ma'am.
Come make.
And she did care. Go wash your hand.
The lady carry it down, was she?
Yes, ma'am.
No, come back yet.
I believe you come back.
Put it back on it till we get the cover. Watch it, those. You have shovel, my boss? Yeah?
No, sir. Me take.
Alright, sorry. No worry about it.
You want bag to put it in there?
No,
I
man.
see those when they want to take up instead of spread it all over my place.
So I'm going to put a sweep it in there, this now.
Alright.
This alright, Mass Nevi. Oh, holy God, that's this, you know. Built up.
Sign.
Yeah.
Yes, we are saying us.
Should have brought Mass today.
No, Mass.
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah, mass there.
So you have to go wear one man till it does.
Me not saying us. I saying us.
Watch me walk out. It does make me disoriented.
Me working on the dust. Yes, man.
That's why so much in there.
Yes, not trouble me. Not trouble me.
Oh, Lord.
Now, get rid of no find us, Mass Nevi. Because you know when you make it sick, you know.
Yes, sir.
You see how much dust
So
that is?
there you want you can you never know so much in here.
But you just see under the settee,
Yeah.
hold it for thing with the pan. You know, under there.
Mass Nevi have a whole heap of aki though.
Huh?
They have one whole heap of aki where open up.
Yes, sir.
But them high up.
And they high up, man.
You know it, Aki?
Oh, God, me like it.
Oh, yeah, but since you like it, you know, I love it, you love it.
I got you really.
I forget it, man.
Ah.
Watch it. Where map there?
So blow back in the house.
You know have no sick, you know?
Your map not have no stick?
No.
Sorry, Marcel. Wow. Yeah, if we could put Mass Nevi bucket them outside.
What?
Everything.
Man, if you hold that heavy boot there.
Oh,
Heavy feel, man.
put these outside.
Give me them, I can put them in here, so.
Oh, you want to put them around there?
Yes, man, I want to put them out outside.
Hold on. Sit here.
If you go. Put all the boot them around there, so to your answer.
Where they go that door already?
If you want to leave them out there,
Give me a map, Mass Nevi.
so you will take them away. See my parents, sir. Okay, sir. Right here, sir.
Put the broomstick on it.
Sit here, sir.
Wow.
Look right in the corner there.
So, yeah. No, stop. You can't make it stop.
Oh, yeah, just put some more water outside.
So water they on it.
All right. Sorry.
You see water?
All right, Mass Nevi, so me have to take off my shoes.
He's a God.
I can't walk on your linoleum, you know.
God having people in, man.
See, I have one nice carpet now.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Mass Nevi?
Yes, man. God bless
Come take
them.
a walk on it, man.
And if you do, it can open.
No, nobody touch the door yet because you see the piece of zinc, the Marcel have to go try. There's a sharp edge to it.
Yes.
You know, say if
If you don't mind, you cut you.
Oh, sorry, Tramel. Bye, girl. See you then now, Mass Nevi.
Yes, man. God bless.
I wonder if we catch part of the carpet. Marcel, let's bring it right up onto here because it might.
Yeah, I'm part of it under the bed.
Yes.
Yeah, so this only done.
Good.
This only.
Perfect. Mass Nevi, step back a little.
Mass Nevi.
Now you have to be careful. It's slippery? Oh no, it should be okay, no.
Good man.
Are you that Mass Nevi?
Bless that the lady them also. God
Yes, man.
Tell you, boy.
Bless her.
Man.
You can sleep on it.
No more.
That's too dramatic.
Can't sleep on it, Mass Nevi.
Oh, God. Tell you what. Lisa? Oh, God.
Mass Nevi?
May I tell you, man?
What you want? Tonight? Oh. So Mass Nevi, you can't, like Marcel say, you can't sleep.
I know if you buy a nice thing, man.
Hey, you like it?
Yes, man.
You see it good?
Yes, man. I see it do up when you know.
Yes.
Just in the light.
Yeah.
It's nice.
Nice, man. God.
Alright, so you that.
God bless her, man. So God bless her. May I tell you, man? Tell you.
Yeah.
That the lady there, master. Now did we know, master, for God being blessing.
Alright, guys. This is it. We come, hand over the groceries to Mass Nevi and the clothing.
Yes, ma'am.
And installing linoleum. Can't call a word there. And we installing linoleum and the carpet. So, and him love it. Right, Mass Nevi?
Oh, God.
Yeah, Marcel, I'll show you how to sleep on it already.
Yes, you can sleep on it, man.
Yeah.
Alright, so you that know. Yeah. Alright, guys, so just want to say once again, thanks so much to our donors.
Oh, gosh.
God bless you immensely and may your store basket never be
Never
empty.
He's at the Mass Nevi.
Never empty, man.
Drove for this.
Alright?
Step back. Walk someone.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's straight.
It it look alright. Let me pull down this part.
I mean, I tell you, sir, I'm going to fix it, you know. Nobody else going to fix it, but you know.
Alright.
Yeah, that will come for them. Fix it.
Yes, man. Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, guys. So until next time, this is where we
time.
end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay
Blessed
safe
love,
and
man.
bye bye.
Blessed love. Yeah, man.
You feel good though?
Oh, God.
All right.
You don't need no bed.
You don't need no bed. Drop it right to so.
No bed. Need no
All right.
bed. Son.